Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by locating the small rectangular release button on the Cadillac XT4 key fob near the keyring. Press that release button with your thumb while pulling the mechanical key straight out. It should slide free in one motion. Set the mechanical key safely aside on a clear surface. Removing this key first prevents stress on the plastic housing and gives you a secure grip for the next step when you pry the fob halves apart. With the mechanical key removed, find the thin seam running around the fob. Use a 2mm flathead screwdriver or a thin coin and insert it into the seam at the key end. Twist gently. Work the tool slowly along the seam for about 10-15 seconds, prying incrementally to disengage clips. Move from the key end toward the top so clips release in order. Never force the halves apart suddenly, or you risk breaking plastic tabs or the PCB mounts inside. Inside, you'll see the round CR2032 3V battery seated in a metal clip. Note orientation and remove the old cell. Replace with a new CR2032 3V battery with the positive side facing up. Check that the rubber button pad and PCB are seated flat. Align the fob halves and press them together until each clip clicks, then slide the mechanical key back in until it locks. Test all functions. Standing 3-5 feet from
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.